Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Ford, or Lincoln guys, and you have a code P2197 guys, stay with us and we'll show you how to fix that. We'll guys demonstrate on a Ford Edge, but it's the same as Lincoln. Okay, we have that Lincoln back there. It's the same engine guys, used in both vehicles. So Ford and Lincoln share the same platform, the same codes, everything's the same. So stay with us guys and we'll show you how to fix code P2197 and we'll show you how to diagnose it with that cheap scanner guys that you can find listed in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now guys. Okay, we have that Ford Edge guys, and when I start it, okay, check out engine light. Okay, will stay on guys. Okay, let me turn the light, maybe you can see a little bit better. Engine light just stays on all the time. I'm trying to figure out if it's better with light. I think it is. So what I'll do now guys, okay, I'm going to turn the car off. Okay, and that will work on any Ford Lincoln guys with the V6 V8 engine. So we're going to turn the ignition on now. I'll just go ahead and start the car. Okay, but let me close the door quick. Okay, and now I'll turn the ignition on, engine off. This is the scanner. We'll go to diagnose, and when you go to diagnose guys, it's going to connect to the car computer and we can check the codes that we have in the system. It usually takes just a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. You can see it says that we have one DTC in the ECU. This means that we have one code stored in the engine computer. Let's click OK, read codes, okay, and check out what's happening now. Okay, we have a code. Okay, that relates P2197, and the code relates to oxygen sensor signal stack lean bank 2 sensor 1. What is bank 2 guys? Okay, let me explain to you quick now. Okay, what is bank 2, and we'll continue and show you how to fix it. So let me go ahead and open the hood now, and I'm going to show you, okay, what bank 2 means and what bank 1 means. This is your engine right here now guys, and bank 2, okay, you have two cylinder heads on the V6 V8 engine. Okay, you have one on the back side, one on the front, or if the vehicle is rear wheel drive, you have one on the left, one on the right. Usually the one on the left or on the back side is bank 1, bank 2 is on the front or on the right side. And oxygen sensor is one is the upstream oxygen sensor, okay, that guy right there. That's upstream oxygen sensor guys. This is the one before the catalytic converter. So we have two upstream oxygen sensors, one on cylinder head number 1, one on cylinder head number 2. We have a code that relates to the second cylinder head oxygen sensor 1. So if we go ahead and start the car now, okay, I can compare both sensors and see for sure if that sensor is bad. So we'll go to data stream right here, and I want to show you both sensors should act about the same, and ours that needs to be replaced is completely off. Okay, this is oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. We'll select this one, and then we'll go to oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1. Now the good sensor is in red and the current voltage is on the left. The bad sensor for bank 2 is on the right here with yellow, and this is the current voltage for the bad sensor. Now when I rev the car up guys, okay, you should expect your oxygen sensor to go somewhere between 0.1 and 0.9. It will fluctuate up and down, up and down. This is the good sensor. Check out the voltage, 0.95, 0.8, 0.95, then I rev it, it goes to 0.9. So that's a good sensor. Now, the bad sensor guys, check out the voltage. It almost doesn't change and it goes only to 0.2 in our case. So definitely a problem with the sensor guys. What we'll do, we're going to go ahead, replace ours, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem. So stay with us. Okay guys, so we replaced our sensor. So we have the ignition on, car not running. We're going to go ahead and erase the codes. Click erase codes. Okay, confirm. And we are waiting for the erase to be done. It's going to take just a little bit of time. You can see it's working on it now. Perfect. We click OK, and now we're going to go to data stream here. Okay, I'm going to select both sensors that we had earlier, and bank 2 sensor 1 was the bad one. Okay, right here, bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1. I'm going to go ahead, start the car now. No engine light on anymore, no engine light on. Check out now both of the codes here. Okay, how they go about the same, guys. Check it out. They go up and down at the same level, guys. You can see the graph is matching perfectly. So definitely, guys, not a problem there anymore. We took care of that. Hopefully the video will be helpful, save you some money, and see you guys next time.